things.
He's larger than life. His presence is enough.
What do they call him?
TMoore The. You can see it in his eyes, the opposition he went through as a child. Forged to the fire he was, yet it's not vengeance he seeks, it's the promises he intends to keep.
What's that?
Not to allow the next generation to go through what he did, to help them save themselves as well as others, to become the hero. And if you ask me, we could really use someone like that to lead us through life's storms.
Superhero.
Motivational speaker.
I wouldn't think it would be something like this. It was really awesome.
Wait, I'm sorry. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Just one question.
Yes, you in the back.
What is it you want most?
What all good coaches want. I just wanted more.